and welcome to another vocabulary practice video. In the city. Country, such as Brazil, China, or Spain. City, such as New York, Tokyo, Athens. In cities, we can find many buildings, such as universities, hotels, skyscrapers, and small houses. We can also find many apartments like this, or this, with many rooms. If I live in an apartment with other people, they are my roommates. We can also have a pet in an apartment. It's nice to be at home, isn't it? Time for you to repeat. Country, country. City, city. Building, building. Skyscraper, skyscraper. University, university. Hotel, hotel. House, houses, house, houses. Apartment, apartment. Room, room. Roommate, roommate. Home, home. See you next time. Thanks for watching.